Guys, today I have squid. I'm gonna cook stir-fried squid. The squid right here. They have some the head and the body. Now the vegetable gonna be bell pepper, garlic, spring onion, tomato. Okay, come on, let's go cook. All right, first I'm gonna put oil first. Okay, this is olive oil. All right. This is garlic right here. Garlic going down. You hear that? Okay, you cook garlic until they brown and smell good. Okay. Now they're about to going smell good right now. Okay, when the garlic yellow smell good right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the squid down. Oh, squid, get in here. See that? Okay, let them cook.
It's just trying. The tail has not gone down. I'll be on my little bike at home. Yeah, at least you have a bike. I want a bike.
Okay, that's oyster sauce. Yeah, that's good. It's really good now. All right, oyster sauce in. And I'm gonna go ahead and put sugar a little bit. Sugar. All right, that's sugar. And here, fish sauce. Fish sauce. Okay, good for now. Yeah, black pepper. Put the same time, everything. Yep. Okay. Soy sauce a little bit. Soy sauce. All right. Just for now. Later on, if not enough, you can always taste and add on some more. Okay, the sauce. Okay, after 5 minutes, it look like this. See that? Just cook like at least 15 minutes. Look yum, right? Looking good. Stir fry squid. ขัวปลาไปขัวปลาหมึกเด้อนี่เด้อไปเด้อ Okay, looking good, right? Let me taste. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna add sugar a little bit. Gonna add black pepper. Okay, black pepper in. All right, now tomato in. All of them in. Ooh! All of them in, except the spring onion. Okay. Just top it for a minute. Yeah. All right, it's good now. Try to cook. Put in. Looking good, right? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Looking yum, huh?
I hope that pepper is spicy.
No, it's not spicy.
It's just sweet pepper.
Yeah. Taste it. Taste right now.
I like it spicy though, like a little bit.
There you go. You have any hot pepper? Yeah.
No.
It tastes very good right now, but need spice. Add on some more spice. Add some more black pepper. Yeah.
Go.
Okay. A little bit sugar?
Just a little bit.
Okay, go ahead.
I feel like it's
Little bit sugar, yeah. There you go, more sugar. That's what you want. That's like I said, if you want more, always add more. Now you mix and you taste it. That's what always add more.
this dish looks pretty.
Looking good, right? Look yum, huh?
It's like a pretty color.
Yep, this is like a muscle cooking. Oh yeah. It looks so beautiful, guys. Let me taste. Well, good. 5 more minutes. All right, guys. The squid stir fry, vegetable, tomato, almost done. Get some more. Always get some more.
So the post was saying that basically
So good. So good.
black men
All right.
black women because
Okay, done. Turn it off. Already done, guys. Put spring onion. Spring onion. Oh, yes. Okay, there you have it. Done. Beautiful.
yeah, I was like, damn. I don't get on for this long. This is the first time I see. Oh my
Done. Okay, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, so I can show you how to cook more and more. So easy to cook. Try it, okay? Alright, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.
Does she have a